If you're anything like me, you really like pizza, and I really do like pizza, and I make it quite a lot. But every time I do, I have some dough left over, even though I use my recipe, which I will link at the end of this video. Today on Jay's Real Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make a dessert pizza. This is so simple and so easy and so delicious. For this recipe, you're going to need a basic pizza dough like the one in my pizza dough recipe, and I'll leave that link at the end of the video. You're also going to need toppings of your choosing, and the wonderful thing about this is that there are no rules. I would recommend definitely getting mini marshmallows, some chocolate chips, some white chocolate chips, and then anything that takes your fancy. I'm going to be adding some mini M&Ms to this pizza, but you could also use festive chocolate chips like for Christmas, wonderfully colored ones in red, green and white, or whatever takes your fancy, including chopped nuts and coconut. And really, it is so simple. We're going to start off as if it was a pizza sauce by adding some chocolate chips to our pizza, and really I've just rolled this out. It's nice and fresh after I had pizza for dinner. And I'm going to be quite generous with my chocolate chips. And then we're going to add in some white chocolate chips. And again, you can be quite generous here. Some of our mini marshmallows. And I'm adding some more chocolate chips just for good measure. You want to sort of spread them out evenly over the pizza as much as possible. Fill in the little gaps with, well, more chocolate chips, because why not? And for some color, I said I'm adding those mini M&Ms. And really, it is that simple. The sky is the limit, and use your imagination. You're going to pop that into a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is just starting to brown, and of course those marshmallows are nice and toasted. The wonderful thing about this is, of course, that it smells like toasted marshmallow, which I really like, so I'm quite excited for this. And the cool thing is that when you cut into this, you get to hear the sort of crunch of the marshmallow, and wow, this is just going to be amazing, and I cannot wait. Let's give that a try. Chocolate lovers rejoice. This is amazing. I just love that toasted marshmallow flavor that is so nice and strong in there, and that, of course, melty, gooey chocolate. Who doesn't like that? This is amazing, and you can so easily make it your own. And if you tried this recipe, and if you did this and you made it your own, I definitely want to hear from you in the comment section below how that turned out for you. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when my next video drops. Remember too that you can follow me on all of my social media, and all those links are down below in the comment section as well. Now, if you want to try my pizza dough recipe, you can find that right here and give this recipe a try. And if you'd like to try some of my other dessert recipes, click on this playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating.